doing Easter egg hunting when you're little, right? It's like Sparta. Like, it's the biggest thing in the world. Like, it's the most important thing that you get all the eggs you can get. And Lord bless the kid that's going up against you when you're about to get the golden egg. Like, you guys know you're gonna go to war. It's a big thing. If it's muddy, you're rolling in mud like you don't care. Like, it's all about getting all the eggs. And like, the egg was the love of my life. Like, once I got that golden egg, it was the love of my life. So here's Live or Die by Noah Cyrus featuring Lil Xan. A song that like really reminds me is called Live or Die, and it's just like the vibe, everything about it is just like I picture Easter egg hunting, like when I was a kid. Like, it was how I felt.